Stop hiding your skin. Stop covering your thighs. You don't need a disguise. Just because you've got cellulite doesn't mean you should be embarrassed. Most women have it. They just don't let it show. That's because they've discovered Creme de la Creme, the revolutionary anti-dimpling body contouring system. Creme de la Creme is every woman's secret friend. Creme de la Creme combines 2 topical skin treatments that help diminish the appearance of cellulite with incredibly fast results. First, Creme de la Creme's Skin Refreshing Exfoliating Scrub uses natural ingredients to remove impurities and slough dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. This special scrub cleanses, tones, and polishes the skin to give it a silky texture with a glowing appearance and prepares the skin for a more effective absorption of Step 2, the Body Contour Cream. The unique Body Contour Cream features a proprietary blend of ingredients designed to help retexturize, hydrate, and calm fatigued, puffy skin that exposes the spongy orange peel appearance of cellulite. Together, the 2-part system rapidly and effectively reduces the overall appearance of cellulite, giving you an enhanced body silhouette. If you've thought about taking drastic measures to fight cellulite, stop! You don't need to go to extremes for sleeker, firmer, smoother-looking skin. Why pay thousands for risky clinical procedures or hundreds for store-brand lotions that just don't work? You can put the complete 2-part double-action Creme de la Creme body contouring system to work for you right now. And during this exclusive TV-only offer, you can try Creme de la Creme, a $70 value risk-free for 30 days. You'll get the full-size 8-ounce Skin Refreshing Exfoliating Scrub and the full-size 8-ounce Body Contour Cream, the complete system, enough for 1 whole month to start reshaping your silhouette right away. We promise you'll see dramatic results. If you don't see sleeker, firmer, smoother-looking skin within 30 days, simply return the product.